everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be walking you through how to download music from YouTube to MP3. While it is important to respect the copyright laws and only download content for personal use, let's explore the steps to convert YouTube videos to MP3 audio files. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that I want you to do is go and open your browser, then sign in your YouTube account. Here, tap on the arrow-like icon which is present right aside the URL of YouTube. Then select Request in Desktop Site. Tap on your profile which is present on the top right of your screen. Then select YouTube Studio. Then tap on the channel dashboard present at the last of your left hand side icons. There you will see the list of songs. Let me just zoom it and show it to you guys. You can just tap on the play button and play it, and also search by filter or using the track title, artist name or mood. Choose one of the track and go to the next page. After this, you will there see an option to download. Tap download and that's it, you have it. Now your downloaded audio will be saved to a file. You can go to your files and access it. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.